Hey, what is up, guys? So, today I'm going to be unboxing these triggers used to play first person shooter or third person shooter games like PUBG or COD. So, this is the small box that we get the stuff in. So, let's just go ahead and unbox it. So, as you can see, these triggers are really good, they are really high quality, and they also built really well. You get two of them in a box, and one good thing is they are made of metal. And as you can see, the downside is they pop out very less, so you have to press them quite hard. So let's play PUBG. For this, you have to make sure that you remove the back cover, or else the triggers won't fit on your phone. So let's just go ahead and remove this back cover and set it off to the side just for the game. Now these volume buttons, they have to make sure that they come below the phone, and above there are no buttons. So let's just go ahead and place them on top. Before that, we have to go into controls, and we have to make sure that you can also put it to layout number 2 and select it, and make sure that you put the shooter thing on the left side, that is this button on the left side, and the firing button, that is this button, on the right side. And there you go. Now click on save, and then you can just go ahead and attach the triggers, make sure they are aligned correctly, and so on. Make sure that you adjust the button size too, and we are going to go ahead and put this right side trigger too. And there you go. Now we can head back to the game. Now we have picked up a gun, and as you can see, we have entered aiming mode, and here we are going to fire it. So now the initial impressions are that you have to click a little bit harder than usual in order to get your shot. So you have to click the left and the right button much harder than usual. As you can see, we are shooting, and it's really comfortable while jumping and shooting. So that's a plus point for these triggers. And the aiming is also really good. One thing I want to mention is that if you have a screen protector, as you can see, my screen protector, it cracked in between. So make sure you avoid this and make sure to remove that cover. Thank you so much for watching.